Alright, this will be the juiciest storytelling video you will be watching about YouTube automation and YouTube as a company. Because over the years I have been in a secret society, let's say it that way, let's make it a little bit mysterious. And this secret society was a group on Facebook where people exploited things on YouTube they shouldn't be exploiting. However, this is quite a secret group and there's only about 42 members in here. And I was lucky enough to be joining this group quite early on. But before I joined this group, I met someone on Skype called Ace. His real name is Michael, and he ran a top 10 Minecraft animation channel back in 2015. And he had a really special method to make a ton of money. And this method was called the Unlisted method. One of the biggest exploits on YouTube that we have ever witnessed and the easiest way of going viral. A quick disclosure right here is that this method no longer works. By purchasing viewers, you will get your channel most likely terminated. So I won't recommend it and it's against YouTube community guidelines, so that being said, I'm not responsible for any damages. But this method was so powerful, you could literally make money from day one. This was the time where you didn't need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to get your channel monetized. No, you could start on day one and apply for the monetization right away. So what we did is we created a channel and we uploaded the video, but we uploaded it unlisted. So what we then did is we went to a website called QQTube. This was a website where you could purchase viewers. So we would go ahead and purchase 3,000 viewers for the grand total of $3. Once we made this order, we would be delivered about 200 views every single hour. So after 10 hours, we would publicize the video. And yes, that's correctly, we ordered 3,000, but at 2,000 viewers, we made the video public. And what YouTube thought is, oh my God, what's happening? This video is like so viral, it's like 2,000 viewers in a second. We need to promote this. So what did YouTube do? As long as your tag was in the title, in the description and in the tags, your video would automatically rank #1 on every single one of those tags. That is how powerful this tool was. It was absolutely insane. And this is how I generated over $250 in my first day ever using this method. My first day. Imagine that, you start a YouTube channel today and tomorrow you made $250. That is how powerful this was. And the crazy thing is, even after this channel just started going up and up and up and up and up. I made over $25,000 back in 2016. This is over 6 years ago. I made $25,000 as a 16-year-old, literally using exploits while I was sitting at my parents' room. Imagine that, that's like so crazy. But the funny thing is, this actually gets even crazier. Because after a few months, this has been completely patched. I've used this method in child nursery rhymes, in GTA nursery rhymes. I used it for Minecraft animations. I used it for just generic top 10 videos. I used it in quite a lot of niches. And this made sure that we went viral beyond imagination. And I was making a lot of money. However, once this method was completely patched, unfortunately, this had an ending as well, and most of my channels died out. I still made a good $250,000 from it, a little bit more I think, and that on the age of being 16, 17, what is absolutely crazy. However, later on, this method actually got a lot more powerful. It is literally the same thing, but it was called the trending method. So if you remember when you were younger, when you went to YouTube and the trending page was just announced, did you see those weird videos like Peppa Pig videos or just generic weird videos that you normally wouldn't click on? Yes, that would be most likely me or some of my friends that use this method. And what we did is we literally ordered 50,000 viewers, and after they hit 30,000 viewers, it was really simple to just publicize the video as well. And YouTube thought, oh my God, 30,000 viewers in a second, let's put that on the trending tab because that's where it belongs. And the whole trending tab was full of just videos that we uploaded. There was nothing else, maybe one video that I manually selected, but that's it. The rest was just junk that we were uploading. That was amazing, and that also made me I think a little bit less money. It got patched a lot quicker, and I think it made me about $100,000-ish. I'm not 100% sure about this number. But then we get to a very, very cool bug. So right now we have a new YouTube Creator Studio. But if you remember the old version of it, where it was literally in your analytics, and it was a lot simpler. And you had this agreement with YouTube that if you were demonetized, this is talking about 2018, 2019, that you couldn't just reapply. Well, you could reapply directly, but you will most likely get denied. And the method around this was a very interesting method that we sold for $1,500 a piece, or we actually took a revenue share from these creators to make sure that, hey, listen, if you're demonetized again, we can monetize it. Just that quickly. It took us about 20 seconds to get a channel monetized. And how this worked is you went to YouTube and you went to the YouTube agreement. Back then you had an option to literally terminate your agreement at any time. However, you couldn't click on this button because you were demonetized. And it was a very simple way around it. You had to do inspect element, and then you had to change one code. Then you went to console, you typed in like a 6-7 power graph, and once you typed this code in, it literally resetted that button and you were able to click it. Then you needed to have a connection with a MCN. MCN stands for multi-channel network, and there's 2 layers in this. You have a managed network, what is the most powerful one back then. This means you were instantly monetized, and you have an affiliate network that just is like, hey listen, we give you certain perks, we take 20% of your revenue, hopefully when we make a profit, we give you some support, and that's it. I'm not a fan of networks anymore. However, that managed network was really powerful. And I paid about $200 to use a CMS like that and just invite people. Because once I resetted their monetization agreement and I sent them an invite from a managed network, I managed to click on accept. Literally in the Creator Studio, you click on accept, and right now your channel was monetized again. So people pay me $1,500, I pay the network $200, I have access for it for a longer time, and I made sure that people got their invites. And this method sometimes even made me more than 5 figures on one single day. By contacting every single compilation channel, and mostly that were League of Legends compilation channels, but also poker channels. I was like, hey listen, is your channel not monetized? Okay, I can fix it, $1,500. And I messaged everyone. I easily made over 6 figures doing this method, and it was beyond powerful. And these are just a few exploits that I made a lot of money on. But I can wonder that you are curious to know one that actually still works till this day. So I have a shorts channel that's getting over 100 million viewers a month. What is absolutely nuts. I'll make a shorts video later on, but this is insane. But how I did this was by using a bug, because even our regular videos are going really viral. And how did I do this? Simply, if you upload a video vertically, so not horizontal like this video, but vertically like your YouTube short, and you did that for like the full 8 minutes. Once you uploaded that video privately to the YouTube Studio, you could revert that video or convert it to a 60-second video. And that made sure that YouTube saw it as a YouTube short. So what did YouTube do? YouTube starts promoting this to its algorithm. Then the big change that happens is once it's boosted. So YouTube Shorts can go really viral. So let's say our Shorts video gets about 1 million views. What we do is then we reconvert the video to a regular 8-minute video. Do remember that your video needs to be vertically in order to work. And once you transform it back to an 8-minute video, congratulations, now you have a full 8-minute video with a watch time of only 15 seconds most likely. But the funny thing is, it now has 1 million viewers, meaning that it has a bigger opportunity to reach a wider audience. And this is the way that we got our channel to 100 million viewers pretty much within just a few short months. Let me show the results right here. So this is one of the bugs that actually still works. And if you enjoy these storytelling videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment of which one you think is the coolest and why. Because I like exploiting these things, and in the future, if something comes out, I will be sure to let you guys know. And if you want to receive a complete free blueprint that explains how YouTube automation as a business works, then send me a DM at WonderCashCow and follow my journey to see everything business related about YouTube and the creator industry. That being said, thank you so much for watching towards this video. It means a lot to me and I wish you all a very good day. Bye!